Hey everyone, so today we're going to be decorating this wall I have in the kitchen. I have these two gold small round mirrors that I haven't found a place for. They're just too small for any of the walls. So I actually got like a larger circle mirror that I'm going to put in the center, and yeah, we're hanging those up today and just decorating this wall a little bit. So to hang these up, I have measured out the centers, and I'm using drywall anchors and screws just so that I can center it and not worry about them being set in on a stud. I'm using a longer one for the large round circle mirror just because for whatever reason the mounting hole is like an inch in from the edge of the mirror, so the nail needs to be sticking out a little bit further, if that makes sense. This also means that the mirror kind of looks like it's angled down at the end of it, which is not like the best, but whatever. It looked fine in the end. If you watched my productive vlog around Christmas time, I had mentioned that I wanted to paint this wall black. Obviously, we've done that already. It was like a whole ordeal. Like, I filmed it, but then we ended up going with a different color, and when we did the different color, I did not film. And I'm like, this is too black for this black wall. And if that sounds crazy, it kind of is, but I promise you there's a difference. So the black that we ended up choosing for this wall has like some earthy tones in it, like blues and greens. Whereas the first black I chose was only white and black. Like there was no other color undertones in it. So this one is just a little bit softer, easier on the eye. Anyways, so I don't have a video for that, but we did paint that wall black. I had gone back and forth with this wall thinking like maybe we should do some slat panels and make it like an accent wall on an accent wall, and then I was kind of like, the slat wall panels are so expensive. It was like over $1,000 for these panels that I wanted, and all of the other ones, or even the DIY ones, they just do not look as good. This is the affordable option. Like I already had the two small circle mirrors, so I just got this large one that was on sale, and the reason it was on sale is because of this stupid way it's hung. Like the little mounting thing is the stupidest thing ever. Like I honestly took like 20 minutes trying to figure it out, and I needed my mom to come over and help me and hang that one up. But anyways, it's up and it's not going anywhere. Like I'm not putting that thing back on the wall. I measured and remeasured, and I keep like going back and trying to make sure that it's centered visually. I think I may have put the side mirrors up a little bit, but it's whatever. Like honestly, it's as perfect as it was going to get with me doing it myself. Let's just put it that way. So the overall vibe I'm thinking for this wall is I'm thinking wall sconces in between the mirrors, like just two on either side of the big one. And then like, I don't know, like some plants underneath for the light to reflect off of, like artificial plants. Whatever artificial plants I end up going with, I'm thinking Costco, Artiplanto, or Michael's. I will do a full review on. I've searched around in stores for artificial plants. I haven't found any I'm like obsessed with quite yet, so I'm hoping to order one in that looks nice. But anyways, I'll do a review for you guys and let you know how that goes, especially if I order from Artiplanto, because I think it's all online. But anyway, so this is the last mirror that I'm hanging up, and I will be decorating the rest of it another day. So make sure that you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and you can follow along for part 2 and perhaps part 3 of this, as well as for the artificial plant review. Now, I did not tidy up my space for this reveal here. We are normalizing lived-in spaces. This is my house on a good day. Love how it's looking so far with everything, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.